Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Ito na yung fried rice na ginawa ko. Ang it is lacking of green peas. I thought he has still the green peas. But I put also some shrimps. You can see I put some shrimps and shrimps, eggs, and the ham, which I told you is the shrimps. You know the in the Chinese restaurant they put like this and also green peas, but he has no green peas in his freezer, so I just do like this. This is his dinner, and this one the ham, and then the ribs I am going to put in the oven later when it is already tender. I will show you the amaryllis. Look at the amaryllis. It is coming. The flower. This is the second buds of, I mean the second flower which it came out. Amaryllis. I put also a little bit of, instead of soy sauce, I used the oyster. For me, oyster is much better. It's tastier than the soy. I mean yung toyo, the soy sauce. It's more tastier. Okay guys, thank you again for watching. Bye bye.